everyone, this is another video from the online guide on a bots constructor and Telegram menu builder bot. For those who haven't watched the previous videos, we strongly recommend to start over and watch. The link will be in the description. To find the menu builder in Telegram, you can use global search. To do this, in the right upper corner, press corresponding icon and type menu builder bot. And we are starting. Hello, this is a continuation of the second video from the series devoted to the main controls of the menu builder. In the previous video, we began to talk about the messages. Learned how messages are created, how they are formatted, how to add messages from the channels, and how to delete them. For those who haven't watched the first part, I advise to start from that video. The link is in the top right corner. For the rest of you, we will continue to talk about the messages in the bot. The first thing I would like to explain is a preview of the links. Let's add few messages and sort this question out using their example. I'm not gonna describe the process of adding messages any longer. This subject was discussed in details in previous video. The only thing is different, that for the purpose of this demonstration we need messages with the links. When adding a message, the default value for the preview option will be as admin. We will look how to use this mode a little later, but for now let's switch the mode to the on position, so that the bot always display a preview for our links. Reviewing links in Telegram is a way that allows your users to get an initial idea of the content of the link without following the link itself. Let's add a link to our bot and see what its preview will look like. When you add in a link to a message, Telegram will automatically generate some preview for it. Since we have enabled this option, the generated Telegram preview will be displayed in the bot. We send the message. As you can see, the preview is displayed. For better understanding, let's add the same message, but at this time without preview. For your convenience, bot saves the last settings of this option, and if you constantly use it in the same mode, you will not need to switch it every time. However, for the purpose of this example, we will switch it to the off mode. Now, after adding the same message, we see that it doesn't contain a preview. For different types of sites, preview will look different. Preview is generated for user profiles, for Telegram channels, bots, for links to the pictures from websites and social networks. But when link is leading to the article from such publishing tools like Telegraph, Medium and such, as well as for some sites, Telegram doesn't only generate a preview, it also adds so-called Instant View feature. Let's add a link to one of those articles and see how it looks. For an example, we take a link to our Telegraph article on an advertisement market. Instant View is a way to browse web pages without leaving the messenger. Plus, the extra blocks of advertisement, useless images and banners are cut out, which has significantly reduced the size of the original content. Only a clean article remains. In addition, the Instant View articles are cached on the Telegram servers, and therefore it's instantly available in the messenger, even with a low internet connection. We may talk about how to create articles in a Telegraph in one of our future videos. But for now, just note for yourself that such articles are a great way to post large text, structuring their content using headings and pictures. It is convenient for users to save them and share them with their friends. In addition, they are just more pleasant to read without loss of the screen space and without going to the web interface. At the beginning of the video, we promised to come back to preview option named as admin. Let's talk about that now. In order to better demonstrate this mode, let's add two more messages with the same link. In this way, We will receive 4 identical messages, but they will be displayed each on its own mode. Go to the post editor and switch the message mode to state as admin. Add 2 messages. As you can see, preview is not displayed. Let's exit the editor and go to Admin Bot Settings. In the upper left corner, you see the Link Preview button. Its condition is off. Thus, for all messages in the As Admin mode, the preview state will be disabled. And we remember that the messages we added in this mode were displayed without a preview. If now we switch this button to the on state, all messages that are in the mode as admin will change their state in accordance with the settings of this button. This way, we get in one setting for unlimited number of messages. Let's go back and see that our messages have changed their state. If in admin panel you change the settings to the off position once again, then all messages in as admin mode will change their state in accordance. As we can see, it is so. As you already know, the preview mode can be set to the messages when it is created. However, this setting can be changed for an already created message. In order to do this, in the post editor mode, you need to go to the message settings. The message settings button is marked with an asterisk. The topmost button is responsible for the preview mode. Besides changing the preview mode in the message settings, you can also add inline buttons. However, we have planned a separate video for this subject. To leave the settings, click Exit Settings. Let's now look at how to move messages and how to add a new message to the place you need. In the button number 3, we have created 4 messages and give them sequence numbers for better visuality. In order to move already added message relative to each other, go to the post editor mode. As you can see, in the editor mode, each message has its own controls. The buttons Replace and Delete we have already seen in the previous video. Link to this video will be in the recommendations in the upper right corner. Now we're gonna look at the movement buttons. It is all very simple here. In order to move the message up, we press the button with the arrow up on it, the one that is under the message. This way, the message number 2 has been moved to the direction we have specified. Let's exit the editor and take a look at the result. As you can see, message number 2 is now at the very top. To move it down, respectively, use the button with the arrow down. Let's put the second message back in place. When you add in a message in a regular way, it will be added the last, at the very bottom. However, there are situations when you need to add message to a specific place in a sequence of already existing messages. You can, of course, add it to the bottom and using the arrows move it to the right place. But this is not an efficient way and may take some time. In order to make it faster and easier, we have Add button presented in the editor. When you click on this button, a new message will be added in the place where this button was pressed. For example, in order to add a message number 5 between 3rd and 4th, we press the Add button under the message number 3. We have added the message, and as you can see, the fifth message is in between the third and fourth. This concludes the conversation about creating and managing the messages in the constructor. The next video is promised to be devoted to the inline buttons. Watch the following videos. The address of menu builder Constructor in Telegram is already on your screen. If you like to know about updates on the channel, press subscribe. If you like to be informed about every new video, press notify.